Next, salute! Salute! Order! बोलो भारत माता की
जय
बोलो भारत माता की
जय
बोलो भारत माता की
जय
Respected parents, teachers, and my dear students, a pleasant morning to all of you. Today is 15th of August, our Independence Day. Let me wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I pray to God to bless our country, our leaders, and each one of us that we may always enjoy prosperity, peace, happiness all throughout our life. It's such a wonderful day and so sad and unfortunate that we celebrate this day in silence. On this occasion, I would like to share with you my thoughts on India of my dreams. Our country won the independence, no doubt. The freedom fighters had many dreams about the future of the free India. Have we done justice to their dreams who won the freedom for us? It's a time for us to make an introspection as to what we have achieved after independence. If we haven't realized their dreams about our country, their souls will not forgive us, and they will not rest in peace, and their sacrifices, sufferings, and martyrdom have gone in vain. Of course, there is prosperity and peace in our country. Are you satisfied with the growth and development what we have made after independence? Don't you see poverty and unemployment still disturbing our country? I dream of an India where no one goes to bed with an empty stomach. All should have the capacity to afford decent meals 3 times a day without any difficulties, a decent shelter to live in, and decent clothes to cover their nakedness and walk around with dignity. We shall not find any more the less privileged people on our streets. Therefore, I dream of India becoming a country where there is no more poverty and unemployment, but people enjoying prosperity, equality, and happiness, and living a respectful life irrespective of their caste, creed, language, and culture. I dream of a corruption-free India where people live with high moral standards, values, and principles, caring and concerned about the fellow citizens. Every man, woman, and children would be able to move around with dignity, freedom, and self-respect. Where there is no crime, no criminals, everyone living a happy and contented life with what they have. I dream of India emerging as a world superpower and have her rightful place among other nations of the world and maintaining healthy relationship with the neighboring countries. In the India of my dreams, every Indian becomes a compassionate, peace-loving individual living in harmony with the nature, free of violence and fear. Every type of work will be respected. Higher standards of cleanliness and hygiene will be maintained. Therefore, my dear parents, teachers, and students, this shall be our dream. We shall work together towards this goal. So be the change that you wish to see in the world. All the best and God bless our country. Jai Hind.